Hovering more than 100 meters in the air, Chief Marvin Yahe surveys his community's territory, the many sun-soaked lakes and forests, and all the development too, from oil and gas sites to forestry and farming. What Yahe can't see are any moose or caribou.
The animals, wiped out animals.
That's why the Blueberry River First Nations took the provincial government to court and won. This summer, the BC Supreme Court ruled the province failed to maintain the nation's rights to hunt and fish, saying while not one single project was to blame, all the development had a devastating effect on the community. Now the First Nation has signed an interim agreement with the province, and the chief says gained decision-making power.
It's extremely important that our views are taken very seriously.
Many other First Nations could take similar court action, including those in Alberta's oil sands.
That really does change the law in Canada and potentially opens the door to similar claims all across the country.
There are concerns about the economic fallout and difficulty getting projects built. Companies are making spending plans for next year amid an uncertain future.
So there's a lot of money at stake for them.
The BC government could have appealed the lower court ruling, but in the spirit of reconciliation, decided not to.
We believe it's the right way forward, and we're committed to working with the nations, and indeed all of Treaty 8 nations, to achieve a better outcome for all in the future.
About 85% of Blueberry territory is within 500 meters of an industrial site, showing how little of the land is untouched.
The places that I grew up in, hunting and trapped, and there's nothing there now.
Chief Yahe says the Blueberry are not opposed to development, as many members work in those local industries. He just wants a say in how it is done. Kyle Bax, CBC News, Fort St. John.